Hello guys, this is Greeny from Tycorun, China. Today I will introduce you how the delivery man swapped the battery using our battery swap cabinet in actual scenery. So this motorcycle in front of me is our box model. It uses 2 batteries to get longer range. And this cabinet behind me is our new cabinet. It also supports 2 battery swapping. You will get 2 batteries every time you swap. So now let's explore how this battery swapping system works in real life.
Find the nearest battery swap station on the mobile app. Take out the dead battery. Scan the QR code on the swap cabinet using the app. When the first slot door opens, place the first dead battery inside and close the door. Wait for the second slot door to open. Take out the first fully charged battery. Insert the second dead battery and close the door. Wait for the next slot door to open. Take out the second fully charged battery and close the door. This is the end of 2 battery swap. Then put 2 new batteries into the motorcycle.
可以，你说。
您使用这个换电站的服务大概有多久了？
我用了1年多了。
那您使用的体验怎么样？
还可以吧，每天都只要换一次电池。
对您的帮助大吗？
肯定啊，我们经常在外面跑。